In addition to the Imperial Valley, the Pacific region is home to several other large and productive agricultural areas. The most important of these is the Central Valley of California, which lies between the coastal ranges and the high peaks of the Sierra Nevada. The Central Valley is the agricultural heartland of California, which is our nation's leading producer of agricultural products. With its long growing season, moderate rainfall, and fertile soil, the Central Valley has the largest concentration of fruit orchards, nut orchards, and vineyards in the United States. Cotton is raised here too, and it is also a place where bright red tomatoes and many other types of vegetables are grown in huge quantities. In addition, extensive areas of the Central Valley are planted with rice and other grains. Large amounts of the Pacific region's valuable farmland lie to the north of California. One of these areas is the fertile Willamette Valley of Oregon. This is where the pioneers were headed when they crossed North America on the Oregon Trail back in the 1840s and 1850s. The Willamette Valley consists of rich, flat land that lies between the Cascades and the much lower mountains of Oregon's Coast Range. Western Oregon has a relatively mild climate and receives abundant rainfall, so the area's farmers raise a wide variety of crops. The valley takes its name from the Willamette River, which flows through it before emptying into the Columbia River. The Columbia is the largest river in the Pacific region. Its water is used for irrigation and to generate 1/3 of the nation's hydroelectric power. A short distance east of Portland, Oregon, the Columbia cuts through the Cascade Mountains, creating a spectacular area known as the Columbia River Gorge that is noted for its many towering waterfalls. A vast geographical feature known as the Columbia Plateau lies to the east of the Columbia River Gorge. The Columbia Plateau of eastern Washington and Oregon is another very productive agricultural area. The land here has an almost desert-like dryness compared to the well-watered territory to the west of the Cascades. And its climate is much harsher too. In this area, most of the farmland is devoted to growing wheat, but it is also an excellent place to raise grapes and other kinds of fruit. In fact, most of our nation's apples are raised in the orchards of eastern Washington state.